We begin with pure neem and soothing aloe vera. Then, we infuse golden turmeric and jet black charcoal, finishing with a rich drizzle of local honey, crafted sustainably for your skin.
Automated systems ensure precision filling. Each mold is filled with absolute consistency. This minimizes waste and maximizes output. High-speed efficiency for modern soap production. First, we pour our nourishing base. Add some local lavender. Every batch is made by hand in small quantities. Now we let it cure. Gently melt the base to keep it clear. Pour slowly to avoid air bubbles. A perfect transparent bar. Freshly squeezed and ready for you.